Ghazali, if you can just give an update of what's happening right now, how soon can the investigation start? And the Civil Aviation Minister said that there will be a thorough probe conducted about the safety and security and infrastructure of the Terminal 1.
Yeah, he was asked about that this entire area was developed in around 2009, and how come within 15 years this canopy or the rooftop collapsed? So will the company like GMR, which was responsible for the construction, will be held accountable for it? To which he said in a standard response that perhaps until the entire probe gets over, we can't ascertain the reason of the collapse or whether the construction material or the construction quality is responsible for today's incident. So this was one. The second, he clarified that there is no one there as far as the injured or somebody who is deceased. So that entire area has been barricaded, and you can see behind me, that is the area. I'll just ask my camera person to show you to understand that what we are reporting from or why we are reporting from. So this is the area from where you reach near the T1 departure. So this is the route through which the cars go, drop the passengers there. So it's not a kind of a formal parking, but the cars stay there after dropping their passengers, and that is when this incident happened, when the cars were parked there after dropping the passengers. Now the rescue operation involves all the people who were injured or have died have been rescued from there. They have been removed or they have been shifted from that particular spot to the hospital. That and this entire rooftop area or this elevated road on which this rooftop was built, that has been taken over by the rescue team. So they are trying to remove the damaged part of the rooftop. The minister also said that the deceased will be given a compensation of 20 lakhs. Thorough probe will be done to ascertain the reason of this collapse, that who is responsible for it, whether incessant rainfall since yesterday or say today morning is responsible for it, or was it the construction quality or the company which was responsible or which did the construction here. So besides that, he said that by tomorrow we will try to operationalize the entire T1 terminal, which is not operational right now, and T2 and T3, the two other terminals, will sort of take the responsibility of all the flights which are scheduled to depart or land over here near the T1 terminal. Besides that, he said that proper inquiry will be conducted, and he was swift in claiming that all the NDRF and other rescue teams were there moments after or minutes after the incident was reported or after the news broke that a rooftop has collapsed. So as of now, there is no limit time frame or a certain time frame. He didn't announce any certain time frame that when the probe will start or by when it will get over. As of now, the focus, as the minister suggested, was to operationalize the airport as soon as possible, remove the debris of the damaged rooftop, which we can see in our background, and also to ensure that passengers are not stranded or have to suffer due to this incident. That is why behind me you see this entire crowd. Besides journalists, we have got the airport officials as well as the officials of different airlines who had their scheduled departure or arrival today. So they are guiding the passengers to move from here and move towards Terminal 2 or Terminal 3.
Right. Any special bus service that has been come into place for assisting the stranded passengers? As the Civil Aviation Minister also said that the airlines will assist them.
Yeah, so airlines are assisting them. Their staff and their bus services are present into service here. They are taking passengers. I don't see any passenger right now here because most of them since morning, since the incident took place, all the officials of different airlines who had their scheduled departure or arrival here, they were stationed here to guide the passengers to move towards Terminal 2. Their bus services were also here. The buses were also plying, taking passengers from this spot to other terminals from where the rescheduled flight or the departure, the terminals which have been decided for their departure and arrival.